How to increase credit limit in American Express. Let's get started. First of all, let's talk about eligibility. American Express considers several factors when determining your eligibility for a credit limit increase. This includes your credit score, payment history, income level, and how long have you been cardholder. Make sure you have a good credit history and stable income source. Using your American Express card regularly for purchases and paying your dues on time can help you list strong repayment history. Consistent usage and timely payments show that you are a responsible cardholder, which can positively impact your credit limit increase request. To request a credit limit increase online, log into your American Express account at americanexpress.com. Navigate to the Account Services section and select Credit Management. Then choose Request Credit Limit Increase. Fill out the necessary details and submit your request. You can also call American Express customer service. Dial the number on the back of your card and request to increase your credit limit. The representative will guide you through the process and may ask for additional information such as your income details. Make sure your income information is up to date. You can update your income details through the American Express online portal or by calling customer service. A higher income can justify a higher credit limit, so it's important to provide accurate and current information. By following these steps, you can effectively request and potentially increase your American Express credit limit. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.